Hi, a quick video on the making face shields in the MCDS Makers Lab. I have it's roughly enough plastic to make 2,000 face shields. The material is it's clear, it's a PTE. I did a test cut on the laser cutter, and it's looking like approximately 90 seconds to do a full one shield. Because of the nature of the layout of the bed and how big the size of the bed is, combined with the size of the material, probably going to do face shields on one run and then the actual headband part on the second run. But the shield itself came out quite well. It's got some singeing a little tiny bit on the edges, but that's just me needing to tweak the settings of the laser cutter, the power and the speed. At first, I wanted to just try to put it together without reading anything, and I failed. But once you get it, you got it, and it's pretty easy. If you can see, this headband actually runs on the inside of the unit. So you have a halo basically of this headband, and the straps of the headband, I don't know if you can see those, interlock in such a way that apparently they figured out 99% of the heads it will fit. It also includes some vents over the top part, because it goes over the top part as well. I'm going to put it on. This particular unit is a little dirty. I didn't have my clean setup completely squared away. So let me just put it on. Take my hat off, and that's the unit. Hopefully you can see it okay. I'm sorry about the upside down and all of that. I'll probably shoot another video, but you can see how it goes around, how it fits. It's very comfortable. It's off of my face. It's not touching my nose or anything. So that is update on face shields.